Hey guys, today we have some exciting news to share with you all. IIT Madras has received a grant of 242 crore rupees over a period of 5 years to conduct research on lab-grown diamonds, LGD. This research is focused on driving indigenization of the LGD manufacturing process and will be conducted by various departments and research groups of the institute. Did you know that lab-grown diamonds have optically and chemically the same properties as natural diamonds? And the global diamond market demands bigger and high-pure LGD crystals for commercial and electronic applications. So, this research will be instrumental in helping India become a leader in this field. The IIT Madras Research Group will tackle the challenge of developing high-pressure, high-temperature (HPHT) technology, critical components, and seed substrates locally to make India self-sustainable in the lab-grown diamond sector. And, with the expertise of the core faculty from physics, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering departments, as well as the recruitment of additional manpower, we can expect some great results from this research. What is the grant for Indian Institute of Technology Madras, IIT Madras, for? The grant of 242 crore rupees over a period of 5 years is for IIT Madras to undertake research on lab-grown diamonds, LGD. What is the aim of the research on lab-grown diamonds at IIT Madras? The aim of the research on lab-grown diamonds at IIT Madras is to drive indigenization of the LGD manufacturing process and reduce import dependency. Why does the global diamond market demand lab-grown diamonds? The global diamond market demands lab-grown diamonds for commercial and electronic applications, and there is a need for research to grow high-pure, large volume, and scalable diamond crystals. What is the expertise of the core faculty at IIT Madras in relation to lab-grown diamonds research? The core faculty at IIT Madras, from the physics, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering departments, have expertise in various requirements needed for the research on lab-grown diamonds. What is the current situation of India's know-how in high-pressure, high-temperature (HPHT) technology to grow diamond crystals? India currently has no know-how in high-pressure, high-temperature (HPHT) technology to grow and treat diamond crystals, and the cost of importing HPHT machines is high. What is the goal of the IIT Madras Research Group for the lab-grown diamond sector? The goal of the IIT Madras Research Group for the lab-grown diamond sector is to make India self-sustainable by indigenously developing critical components, technologies, and seed substrates. So, that's all the updates we have for today.